top students are getting ahead this holiday. What are you doing? Have you forgotten how you felt when you saw your last results? That's right. Pay attention. So before I went on to have my first 5.0 GPA, I had a major lock-in during my holiday that made it impossible for me to fail. And that lock-in ensured that I was definitely going to win the game. And in this video, I'm going to simply be telling you the 5 things I did during the holiday and things I'm implementing right now to ensure that my next result is going to come out exactly as I want it to be. And if you're willing to follow along with the journey and just gain some faster tips that will help you take other on in your academics, I suggest that you subscribe to this video so that you can get more videos like that will actually help you to grow academically and achieve the results that you want. So anyways, let's get on to the 5 points. So, the first thing I would like to start off with this quote that says, plans are useless, but planning is everything, by something Eisenhower. So I'm sure by now, most of you have seen that my community post that I made where I showed the schedule I kind of had before I had my 5.0. Well, I might as well confess now, the truth is, I didn't actually follow the schedule. When I started reading during the day, I just came to realize that there were 2 particular subjects that if I locked in on them, I'll be able to ensure that I have a good grade in those subjects. And so that's what I did. They only read those 2 subjects. And when I got back to school, I focused on the rest of them, and then I was able to make that result. So it's not really about following the plan, about following a plan that will actually help you to get the result that you want. So right now, if you don't have any plan, it's better you make one now. You might not follow it, and that's not to say that you will be inconsistent, no, but eventually you might have to change the plan to what will actually benefit your academics. So make a schedule, yes, but always be ready to change it. And so this leads me on to my next point. Decide how long you're going to read every single day. I don't care if it's 30 minutes, I don't care if it's 1 hour, but it's what you do every single day to your academics that actually changes the game. I made sure that every single day I watched at least 3 of those YouTube videos that were helping me with that my difficult course at time. I made sure that I watched a little bit of organic chemistry tutor every day. And if you're looking for a list of YouTube channels that are going to amplify your academics, you can check the link in the description for that YouTube document that I made. It's completely for free. So just ensure that you're engaging these things in your academics every single day, because that's how you're going to make progress. That's how you're going to understand, and that's how you're going to get better when you give into it every single day. And so right now in the middle of this video, I want you to get out a piece of paper. I don't like the one I posted, yesterday on my and just write down number 1, the rough sketch of your plan. Then number 2, write the amount of time that you're going to dedicate every single day to your academics. Because if you don't write it down, you're most likely to be like, nah, I never said that. But putting it down on a piece of paper helps it to be more fixed, helps it to be more stable, and helps you to actually stick to it, especially when you paste it on the front of your wardrobe, where not only you can see it, but everybody can see it. Galatians 6 verse 9 says, so let's not get tired of doing good, but at just the right time, we will reap a harvest of blessings if we don't give up. And I'm so very, very sure that if you continue to give yourself to academic excellence, even if it's just 30 minutes or 1 hour a day for the rest of the day, you are going to get that result you want, because God honors the labor of those that actually put in the work. So anyways, next one is know your distractions and get rid of it. There's a way life will get serious like this. You could first carry your phone, delete to talk. Just you live a lot of this years. For me personally, let me speak for myself. I knew that I had an issue with TikTok because sometimes I can just lie down and watch TikTok for hours and hours, like ridiculous level of hours, like 4 hours. Imagine, do you know what I can do in 4 hours? I can change my life and cure world hunger. So for somebody else, it might not be TikTok necessarily. Like now, me, Instagram, now, if I scroll like 2 scrolls, let's say I'll see the motivation video, I don't come out for Instagram, that's why you hardly see me there. But it's knowing what's actually distracting you and completely removing it out of the way so that you can actually pursue this your result. Your result is worth fighting for, and anything that is battling for attention that's not going to allow you to get that result, get rid of it. You deserve to have that result that you actually want. And so in that same paper that I told you to get right, write down what you think is distracting you so that you can actually cut that out. So I want you to see 3 things on that paper: your schedule, the amount of hours you're going to read, and what you think is distracting you, and what you're going to remove. And so this next one is going to be very, very, very essential, and it's the fact that you need to get accountable. I know sometimes you're embarrassed, you don't really want to tell people, oh, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing. But at least have that one person, or have that one community where you are in, where they can keep you accountable for how you're reading. Like now I am in AX partners in my school, and they recently even sent me a check-up message on this thing. And so that was really, really nice. So things like that can help you to be accountable. And in case you don't have a community like that now, comment down below your schedule, how many hours you're going to be reading, what you're going to remove from your instructional, and I'm going to be out down in the comment section hyping you up, and I'm also going to comment my own too as well, so that we can all stay accountable and actually achieve the result that we want. And this next point is implement, implement, implement. Show up. Even if you miss your day, show up again. Even if you somehow fall off here, keep showing up. Because it's not just about having the schedule or having the things that you want to do, but ensure that you just keep showing up. I promise you, if you actually show up for your academic on that exact time that you told yourself that you show up, you are actually going to make substantial amount of progress. So my task for you is just to simply comment down what all the things that you said you would do and how you're going to implement it. And in case you are not yet aware, we're having this, holiday challenge in the community post, whereby every single day I'm making a post to motivate you throughout your holiday to continue reading, and we'll all be commenting down in that community post everything we're doing every single day from now to January 10th. And so even if you don't have any way to stay accountable, don't have any way to stay motivated, come to the community section. Let's stay accountable. Comment down below on this video, and so that we can all stay accountable and actually do the things we said we'll do this holiday. And not that we'll finish this holiday now, you go back to school and you start getting confused on what's happening in school. And okay. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys should let me know if you guys like this length of video, so I'll be making videos more of this length. And so yeah, please just go and implement. Your plans don't matter unless you actually truly implement them, and that's what's going to make you have that 5.0 GPA or that first class that you're actually looking for. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to have more content that's going to help you to do better in your career and do better in your academics, subscribe to this channel. We're trying to aim to reach 100,000 subscribers next year. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it to join this community of people that are aiming to be part of the people that will be excellent in 2026. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.